Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to use Bubble Dock Keyboard Easy Method. Start by charging the keyboard fully, then affix the dock to a clean surface. Power on the keyboard and pair using Bluetooth or the USB dongle. Position the keyboard on the dock so bubbles align with keys, and adjust tilt for comfort. Test typing and tweak placement for stable contact and consistent keypress response for reliable everyday use. Use a light, consistent touch when typing on the Bubble Dock keyboard to prevent sticking and improve speed. Keep wrists elevated slightly to reduce strain and maintain a natural hand posture while typing. If keys feel sluggish, remove the keyboard and clean the bubbles gently with a soft, damp cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals. Regularly check the dock alignment and reattach adhesive if the keyboard shifts, ensuring stable, comfortable typing sessions every day. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation. A book that can truly change how you think about money made me laugh about investing while I set up my keyboard, and it pairs oddly well with learning practical skills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, you might thank yourself later. Now let's get back to the video. Customize the Bubble Dock keyboard to match your workflow by adjusting key repeat and delay settings on your device for ideal responsiveness. Remap uncommon keys using system preferences or a third-party app to match your favorite layout. Create text shortcuts for frequently used phrases to speed up repetitive typing tasks. Save different profiles for work and leisure so switching contexts is seamless. And backup settings if the keyboard supports profile storage or cloud sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.